What is identity?
Identity. Identity. It's who we are. It's who we are. It's who we think we are. It's even a bit of who other people think we are. So I have an old ID card here, identification card, my identity. It's old, it's me. I look at it, I think, hey, that's me. It's not me anymore, but I still think that it's me. It's strange how we can think about things of our past and somehow it rolls into still part of our identity, but somehow it's still me. Identity is funny that way. We still somehow lump things together that are no longer in the same time, space, or place. That was me in middle school. I remember so much of that time. I remember friendships and loneliness, failures and successes, trying new things. I remember mean people and kind people. So many of those experiences really shape who I am today. But things change. They always do. You might get a new hairstyle. Maybe you're getting braces this year. This year I'm getting glasses. Last year I was teaching science. This year I'm teaching history. My identity is going to change a little bit, but it's all me. It's still me. It's just a different me. That school I went to isn't even there anymore. It was demolished this year. They're building a new school. It's got the same name, but is it the same identity? Is it still my old school? A lot of things have changed. It's not the same people, not the same classroom, not the same experiences. Is it the same school? Does it have the same identity?
What is identity? I want you to know what it is, but also how it matters. In my middle school art class, I had an assignment that asked me to draw my identity. I just drew a bunch of things that I liked. Was that enough? Did that show my identity? Your identity is a combination of your experiences, your values, and your beliefs. Your experience is your history. It's what you use to make your decisions and decide who you are. It helps us know what to expect in the future based on what we've experienced in the past. Your values are the things that you find important. They're what help you make decisions based on what's good or bad. We use these values to help us in making decisions. Your beliefs are those things that you are confident are true. It could be based on your religion. It could be based on your experience. It could be based on what you've heard about other people's experiences. Our identity is constantly being shaped by what we've experienced. However, our experiences are shaped by the actions that we take, and our actions are shaped by our identity. So we have coming from both directions. We are using our identity to shape our experiences, but our experiences are also shaping our identity. It shapes how we behave as individuals and how we behave as a society. As we explore history together, I want you to think about the identity of the people that we are studying. As you do, you will notice the complex layers of what an identity really is. History comes down to individuals. There are single people, individuals with names. We can look at their actions and see what they did. We can study their actions. We can read their words. There are communities, groups of people that get together and share a common identity, something that brings them together and separates them from the others, the us and them, the we and you. What part of this identity caused the actions of these historic events? And how much of these events shaped the identity of these people? When you first meet someone, you try to get an idea of their identity. First, you start with something simple like what they look like or what their name is. You know that's not their whole identity. You know it's just a portion of it, but it's a starting place. Don't stop there. This year we're going to study the identity of individuals and societies throughout history. The journey is a long one, but the best place to start is from where you are. Start with you. What's your identity?